Hi everyone, this is Kevin from Caribbean Crypto Tips. In today's video, I'll be reviewing a very popular Cardano NFT platform called Unsigned Algorithms, or Unsigs for short. Now this video is long overdue, but I still want to go ahead and make it. The website says more than just images on the blockchain, procedural Cardano NFTs. Now what does that mean? Let's go and find out. The first algorithmically generated art living on Cardano, mathematically derived and designed, generated using computers and advanced algorithms. Apparently these NFTs were created using algorithms using the Python programming language. Each NFT has a set number of attributes which can be hard-coded to reproduce the same NFT if you ever wanted to, and each of these NFTs are considered unique. The whole collection consists of 31,119 pieces with different visual appearances. If you scroll down further, you'll see how they are generated. Number one, you start with some Python, define some basic properties such as color, intensity, distribution, and rotation. Next, you add some spice by adding the complex colors, geometries, half circles, shifts. You're able to create multiple stacked layers of each of these properties. And finally, you just press compile, and right away you can get your 4K or 8K image or any resolution you desire. Your NFT will always be looking sharp regardless of the advances in tech. Now I've begun to see many people online who would have bought many of these Unsigs, stacked them together to create new pieces of artwork with their combined Unsigged NFTs. So as you scroll down, here's a nice gallery or collage of what they would look like. Many different shapes, colors, textures. Each of them, as I mentioned before, are unique. They cost the price of 50 ADA. Well, if you were here early in round 1, you could have gotten 3 for 50 ADA, but I'm sure now we're in the last phases of the round, so right now you're probably going to get 1 for 50 ADA. Now the algorithm itself could produce 50 million of these potential NFTs. However, the company has limited the production to the 31,119 that I would have mentioned. And remember, they are the first of their kind, the first algorithmically created NFTs minted entirely on Cardano. Thankfully, I was able to get mine in the early round, so I have 3 Unsigs in my Yoroi wallet. From what this is saying, there are only around 4,624 of them remaining, and let's see what the process is to buy them. So once you click the button, you're taken to this page where all you have to do is send 50 ADA to this particular QR code, and you're gonna get your NFTs in your Cardano wallet. Now I would recommend using the Yoroi or Daedalus wallet, and you should also receive back 2 ADA with your NFT purchase, because that's how the Cardano blockchain works. In order to send any asset, you must also send some ADA along with it. So I would have already bought my Unsigs already, so I'm not going to make this purchase. But I just want to say it's very similar to the last video I would have done on NFT Maker. So if you haven't checked that video, you can go and look and see how I bought my first NFT using the NFT Maker platform. Now the reason I know the payment process is very similar is because of the developers of this website. You have Alexander, who is the main artist and founder, as well as Patrick, who is the same guy responsible for NFTmaker.io. Now I do recommend that you check out both of their Twitter and website links so you can have an idea of what they are doing in the Cardano space, and also you can check out their stake pools. Patrick has the Babel stake pool, and Alexander has the Monad stake pool. So I'm going to come up here now to gallery just to show you guys what some of the collection looks like. Once the page loads, you will see a number of unsigned algorithmic NFTs, and you can always click on any of them to get the main details about them. As you can see, this one has some attributes: green, red, blue, rotation, distribution, as well as multipliers. You can also click on the random button here to see another random NFT. You can even download the image itself in 4K. However, this downloaded image is not an NFT, it is merely a digital copy. Now if you want to prove authenticity and ownership over your NFT, you would have to visit a Cardano block explorer such as pool.pm and go and paste in your Cardano address. As you can see here, I have 4 tokens, I have 3 Unsigs, and I have 1 NFT that I would have created on NFT Maker. If I click on this, you can see my various Unsigs right here. But a better way to view these Unsigs would be to use this other website, and I'm going to show you right now. Now I'm going to post the link for this website in my video description, but I will assume that this was made by either a programmer or a community member, and this is strictly for viewing your Unsig collection. You go and paste your ADA address. Once you click load, you can see your NFTs being displayed. And of course, this was designed in mind for those who have many unsigned NFTs to be displayed. Here you can go and rotate them, enlarge them, flip them around, and even move them in your list, so that when it comes time for you to go and sell them, you can display them the way you want them to be displayed, or for your own personal vanity. So I decided to make a little detour over to the Unsigned Algorithms official Twitter page, and as I scroll down, just looking at some of their posts, here I can see that Patrick, the developer, has submitted a proposal to Project Catalyst. For those who don't know what Project Catalyst is, this will be Cardano's decentralized voting system or voting platform, and he has requested a proposal to help improve his work thus far. Basically, he wants to release the version 2 to the NFT Maker website. So I would recommend you guys go and support him and vote for Patrick and vote for NFT Maker on Project Catalyst. Now I can't spill all the beans in this video, but I would have spoken to Patrick just the other day and he would have given me a sneak preview as to what the new platform will look like, and I must say I'm impressed. I can't wait for Cardano to get its smart contracts, and I can't wait to have a marketplace on NFT Maker. So remember, vote for Patrick, let's make this a reality. Because Patrick is passionate about his work, and I'm sure his stuff will benefit the Cardano community on a whole. As you can see here, in the month of June to July, Unsigned Algorithms were the #1 minting transaction on the Cardano blockchain. As you can see, these are all of the transactions which were just purely Unsigned. So they were very popular in June and July. Now this brings me to my last point of my video, how to sell your Cardano NFTs. Now because there's no decentralized marketplace on Cardano as yet, you have to sell your NFTs peer-to-peer, and usually the place you would go to is Discord. Here will be the Discord link to the Unsigned Algorithms server. And on Discord, these are the 3 main servers that you want to sign up for when you want to sell or buy NFTs. You have the Unsigned Algorithms, you have CNFTs, you have Cardano NFT. So if I go to Unsigned Algorithms Discord, I can scroll down. I can go to the buy and sell section. I can see what people are selling. And I can also see what NFTs were also bought for the day. Now this brings me to the end of my video. If you found it enjoyable and you learned something, then feel free to give me a like, share, and you can even comment below. Remember to subscribe to stay up to date with videos like this. And if you're feeling generous, you can give me a small donation of ADA to help support my channel. This is Kevin from Caribbean Crypto Tips. I thank you for watching.